Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your Amazon sales with Amazon, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding Amazon's marketplace structure. Familiarize yourself with different selling plans offered by Amazon. Choose between individual and professional selling plans based on your needs. Create your Amazon seller account. Ensure you have all necessary information ready, including your business name and tax information. Once your account is set up, conduct thorough market research. Identify trending products and analyze competitors. Use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 for insights on product viability. Next, optimize your product listings. Use high-quality images that showcase your product from various angles. Write clear, informative product titles that include relevant keywords. Craft bullet points and descriptions that highlight key features and benefits. Incorporate appropriate keywords throughout your listings to improve search visibility. Set competitive pricing by checking similar products in your category. Consider using Amazon's pricing tools to automate price adjustments. Monitor your inventory levels regularly to avoid stockouts or overstocking. Utilize Amazon Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, for streamlined shipping and customer service. Enable Amazon Prime eligibility to attract more customers. Set up promotions and discounts to boost sales during peak times. Leverage Amazon advertising to reach a larger audience. Experiment with sponsored products and sponsored brands campaigns. Analyze the performance of your ads regularly and adjust strategies accordingly. Encourage customer reviews by following up with buyers post-purchase. Respond to customer queries promptly to build trust and enhance satisfaction. Keep track of your sales data using Amazon Seller Central reports. Regularly assess your performance metrics like conversion rates and sales trends. Continuously refine your product offerings based on customer feedback and market shifts. Stay updated on Amazon's policies and market trends to maintain compliance and competitiveness. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.